Hey everyone, Oncor meteorologist Jen Myers here with a look at your Oncor WeatherCurrent severe weather update. Last night we had lots of thunderstorms moving through the area, so I'm going to go ahead and look at radar here. This is over the past 12 hours. Last night about 8 p.m. we had some cells moving through the metroplex. You can see some pinks there up towards Collin County. They got hail up to the size of golf balls with some of these cells that move through. You can see as we go into the evening hours by 10, 11 p.m., that storm does tend to almost line out. You can see towards Morgan Mill and then train over the same areas with some pinks and purples indicating we saw up to golf ball sized hail in a few spots. Lots of lightning with this. In fact, if I briefly turn on the lightning here, you can see the lightning was pretty extensive as well. So hail, lightning, even some gusty winds is what we saw last night. By 2, 3 in the morning, that line continued to push east. You can see it continues all the way into early morning hours. Just a few showers left behind here in the Metroplex. Most of the action, though, remains to our east now. In fact, if I put this on a 1 hour loop, you can see what's left is just light rain. No more hail, no more lightning, no more severe weather, just a little bit of morning fog and some sprinkles. Now, here's the thing. As we look at the simulated radar over the next, 12 hours or so, you can see the rain stays south and east. We're talking towards Tyler, Temple, Lufkin, those areas in our service territory. Only light rain as we go into the afternoon, nothing severe. That continues through dinner time, and even after sunset you can still see light activity all the way through the end of the night. Here's the thing though, we're going to ramp up those storms as we go back into the rest of the weekend. We'll be at 60 today, mid 60s tomorrow and Sunday, but look at the rain chances, 60 to 80%, especially Saturday afternoon into Sunday. We're still watching. I don't think we're going to see as much widespread severe activity as we saw last night, but we're still going to keep an eye on it as we go throughout the next couple of days, just in case. Also, note those lows well above freezing, so we're doing just fine. I know we have some outages out there, but folks, just to let you know, we're working as quickly and safely as possible to get you back on. Thanks so much for joining us this morning, and enjoy your weekend.